Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. But for today, we're playing a little fix-up cleanup at the shop. And I got a extended exhaust fan for my bathroom. And this week I lost a Sawzall. And believe it or not, I found it. Right where I left it. There it is on the top shelf. We didn't lose it. CB did not lose it. And of course I didn't lose it. So that is good news. But for today's project, I'm going to cut this piece of tin, which I need a 4-foot piece. And I'm going to test out this saw because I hate cutting sheet metal goods. I don't know why. I never liked it. So I'm going to try this saw on a piece of smoke pipe, which is gauge number 30, I believe, for ductwork only. This is not the heavy gauge for smoke pipe. Yeah, it is a 30 gauge. Just so I ain't got to cut it. Because you know, if we had to cut this here, we had to take it apart and snip it or cut it with a Sawzall, which my Ridgid 614 dry cut saw. I'm going to extend this exhaust fan, which we added, into that bay right there. What I did there was open up the ceiling. I want to extend the smoke pipe into the garage area. Little cleanup work, and we need an exhaust fan in there, so I'm going to extend that on this rainy Sunday. 48 inches. Now what I am going to do, I am going to cut it right on the joint first. I hate doing tin work. And guess what? This isn't really tightening in very good. I just found my new smoke pipe helper. Not that I do a lot of smoke pipe now. Oh. Look at that cut. Beautiful cut right there. I'm happy with that cut. Look at this. Beautiful cut. I think I just cut my last piece of smoke pipe. I guess this can handle 5 inches and below, this chop saw. So, and again, I don't do much smoke pipe. How do you guys cut this pipe out there in the world? I always have fits with this stuff, but I'm taking a shortcut today. And I did notice that this needs a little bit of oil here, so I'm going to oil the old chop saw up while we're here. I use circulator oil here. Bramic Original Oil with the zoom spout. Let's see what happens here. Boop. Ah, much better. Okay. I don't know if you can see that in there, but like all plumbers, your house, your shop is the last thing to get done. And this exhaust fan has been well overdue. So I'm going to prefab it so I can get it in there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did I make it too long? I hope not. 4-footer, come on, Daddy. I might just fish it from the other side. Because the fan's in the way, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this down. see if I can slide this over, right? Oh yeah. I had some sheetrock damage, so we're, oh, there it is. There it is. All right, cool. Now. All right, bang, there it is. Here we go. Put this right back in place. Oh. Alright, and there's that. Ah, alright. Now. Ah! Ah! Woo! Touch me, thank you. Oh, thank you. Alright, now. Let's get this screw in so this fan stays balanced here. There it is. Oh, I have a light. Oops. Oops. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. This should bend on this. Oh, yeah. We made the connection. It's in the garage. This pipe's so thin you can actually squeeze it onto the exhaust fan. I don't know if they make an adapter, but I don't think so. Check that. They probably do make an adapter, but I'm not going to use one. Alright, there you have it. We're ready for sheetrock. We're going to go ahead and move on to our next project. I had to get that out so they can do the bathroom ceiling. I want to thank everybody for watching, following along our channel, and watching me teach my guys, my two sons, the plumbing trade. And you guys been great in the comments, and if, you know, I try to respond to everybody. I don't know if YouTube makes a notification for, they make one when you make a comment. I respond to that comment. I try to respond to everybody. I'm pretty sure I do. Now, if you come back and respond to a response that I've made, I don't think I get a notification for that. So, if there's anybody who knows how to do that or make it simple, and I think I can go back in the settings, and I'm getting off track here, I know that. But I like to respond to everybody, and I also like to see your input on different jobs and different tools. So, I really appreciate it, and you know what we're trying to do here. I'm trying to do a little plumbing, teach the young bucks, inspire some young guy, young girl to become a plumber. So with that, we thank you, and we'll see you at the next one. Fire department never stops, even on a rainy day. Must be late for breakfast.